Hi, I'm Eddie Oberoi, your Silicon Valley real estate broker. Super excited about another listing, and check this out. This one is literally 2.6 miles away from Tesla Motors. How cool is that? I can't wait to show you the single family, single story house. Let's take a tour. This cozy suburban-style home is located within the rapidly growing Irvington area of Fremont, California. Situated on a large 6,180 square foot lot with great curb appeal, the open and bright floor plan offers large windows, recessed lighting, and a great amount of space for entertaining. I love the gourmet kitchen, which features granite counters, light wood cabinetry, center island with storage, and a farmhouse sink with a built-in cooktop. The steps away, the living room has hardwood flooring, lighted ceiling fan, and a sliding glass door leading to the rear yard with a beautiful pool. Master suite has a walk-in closet and a full bathroom with shower, all the restaurants and shopping and parks nearby like the Rix Park, Irvington Park, and the Marshall Park. But thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, and look at this backyard over here. Imagine throwing a pool party for your kids while you guys are enjoying all the amenities inside the house. If you have any questions, reach out to me, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at one of my mega open houses. You have a good day. Bye-bye.